Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to buy Bitcoin OS on Binance Alpha. So Bitcoin OS or BOS just get this on Binance Alpha, and if you want to buy it I will show you how in this video. So make sure you watch this video until the end. And as you can see, this is their website. You can go to their website on bitcoinos.build. And let's get started. Go to your Binance app and go to your search box in the top. Make sure you have signed in, and then in the search box you can search BOS for BOS. Go to Alpha tab here and you will find the token. You can click it, and this is the charge. So yeah, I think from the charge perspective, nothing special, but maybe there is opportunities to get higher, but this is not financial advice. You have to do your own research. You can see the details by click info here in the top, and you will find 24-hour high low in the volume. The volume, I think it's not, it's not good, but yeah, it's average. And also there is 21 billion BOS, and then you can check their website and their social media. And also you can check the audit here. You can read, the audit. And if you want to buy it, you can just click right here in the bottom, and then you will find limit order here. You can put the price you want to buy like this, it's up to you, and then the amount, and then you can just click buy. Also you can choose instant. You can swap your USDT or other token to BOS. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.